My name is Garth Crooks. I'm just coming up here because everyone keeps thinking I'm a serial killer, and I'm not. So, hope you enjoy this.
You're a serial killer.
Understand why everyone knows things that I'm gonna kill them. I just wanna stare at the virgin. You've got the red pecker and you've got the blue pecker too. And you know I wanna look at those birds with you. Wanna look at those birds. Promise that I'm not gonna kill anybody. I just wanna look at the birds of you. Just wanna look at the birds of you. And everybody always says I'm a man that is full of promises, and one of them is that I'm gonna kill you. But I don't know why everyone thinks that's true, saying oh. Saying oh, no, 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 I'm not gonna kill anybody. The birds, the red pecker and the orange pecker, maybe even the blue pecker too. You know in Los Santos there's so many birds. Yes, it's true, there's so many birds. There's like 50 different species, and you know what, I'm gonna name them out for you. Well, first you got the red pecker, the orange pecker, the yellow pecker. You got the brown one, and you got the black one. You got the cockatoo, the cockaloodle-doo. You got the moo-moo, you got the zoo-zoo. You got the cockanamis, blop-ba-da-ba-da-ja-da-ba-ja-da-ba-ba-da-ji-ba-ja-ba-da-na-la-la. got the white speckled guzzler. Yeah, yes you do. Here's a bird sound. It's like. Listen, I'm not gonna kill no one. Sometimes I just like to stare at the birds for fun. Haven't ever even stuck my knife inside of my brother's belly for fucking my wife and put him in a grave in the forest. No, I've definitely never done that. No, 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 I haven't. Oh, no, I haven't. Come on, guys, right? Come on, yeah, I've definitely not ever done it. No.